Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we have a Dodge Charger working on 2020. This is the RT, so it's the V8 with a 5.7. So on this one it's different to change the oil and filter on this one than the V6. With the V6 you have your filter right here, but this is a 5.7, so we're going to go ahead and change our oil and filter on this one. So you want to get the car up off the ground. So you can see I have the car up off the ground now. Have it on two jack stands. I have one over here, one on that side over there, and now I want to get underneath the car and we're gonna locate our drain plug. So underneath the car we have our drain plug right here. So we have this right here or to catch the oil. This car is lowered, by the way, so you can see it's all beat up. So while this is draining, we're gonna go and look for the oil filter because it's not on this side. So if it's not on this side, guys, back from behind here is the transmission, so don't pull nothing behind that subframe right here. That's what we need to work on. So we gotta look for the filter for the transmission, not the transmission, for the engine I should say. So alright guys, so let's go take this. I get 13 millimeter, so it is 13 millimeter. I'm gonna take this off. Set it like this. So we're gonna let it drain, and then we're gonna, oh, the wind is like blowing hard. The wind is blowing really hard, so we're gonna come on this side. So I'm just over here just blocking the wind, and guess what we found on this side? So on the passenger side you're gonna find your oil filter, which is located right here. So we're gonna let this drain. It's a lot of wind, guys, so I'm just gonna let this drain. I'm gonna stay right here, and once it drains and it stops draining, I'm gonna offset this. Have a rubber right here. You want to make sure it's good, it's in good condition. So I'm gonna reuse it. The customer supplied the parts, I tell him what to get. He didn't get this, so that's what we're working with. And now we're just gonna be right here, wait for it to drain. Once it finished draining, all right guys, so you can see it stopped draining. It's dripping. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe off this right here just to make sure the surface is nice and clean. And then we're gonna install this, and then we're gonna snug it up like this. You don't need to like tighten it like tight, you just need to snug it up. Alright, so like that, snug, and then I'm gonna try to do a quarter turn. Alright, so that's it. That's all you need for that. Nice and tight. If you don't have the torque spec, if you have the torque spec or have a torque wrench, you can do that. And then this should be 3/4 of a turn to a full turn, so let's see if they did that. Nah, it's tighter than what they're supposed to be. Alright, so we're gonna get a pliers for oil filter. And then we're going to take it loose. Alright, so now we got it loose. We want to set our pan. And turn it a little bit, let it drain. And once that drained, then once it drained, then you just finish, take it off the rest. Alright, so now we want to wipe off our oil filter. Where you mount the oil filter, you want to wipe it off, inspect it, make sure the other o-ring is not on it. As you see how easy it come off, and you don't want it to stuck up there, because if you have two o-ring up there, it's gonna leak. Alright, we're gonna go get our oil filter. We're gonna put some oil in the filter, screw it up, and yep. And this is the filter the customer decided to go with. And then you can like rub some oil on this part, just like that. So once you meet contact, you want to do a 3/4 of a turn to a full turn, whichever you can get. If you can get a full turn, you do it. If you can get 3/4, that's what you do. Alright, so I'm finished with down here, guys. I'm gonna take this out, wipe this down, because I gotta go back in my car. So double check your work. That's tight, this tight. Now we're gonna add some oil in the car. Make sure it's all nice and clean. Like, I didn't look this up, so I don't know how much quart it take. So this is 1 quart. I'm gonna add 4 quart, and then I check it, see if anything show on the stick, and then I'll add more. This is our 2nd quart. And so that's 5 quart. still haven't reached safe yet. And you see how slam this car is, guys. It's a good thing I have a low profile jack. And then this side have a little sink right there. So it end up take the whole 7 quart. That's what it require anyway. So 7 quart was right on the money. You see, that's where it is. So that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car up. Right, so we're in the car. I'm gonna start it. So I can see it missing one tire pressure light from over there. And then you just wanna use these buttons to navigate throughout the settings, and go to vehicle info, and then you want to go left. Once you go left, you're gonna find the oil life, and you want to hold it. Okay, so the engine must be off, so let it run, let the oil circulate round and round, and then once that circulate round and round, what we're going to do is cut the car off, let the car sit for two minutes, and then check the oil again. While it's sitting for 2 minutes, now is the time where you can reset the oil. So basically the same procedure, and there you go. Find the oil life, press and hold, and it's back to 100, and that's it, guys. That's how you do that. Put back the customer screen where it was. Now it's time to go check the oil. We can turn this off. Alright, so we're in the safe zone. It's above a little bit. It's above the safe zone a little bit because the car leaning down this way. So once it level out, then the oil should be at the correct level. So you should be good. That's what's up. That's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Peace out. See you next time. Also, make sure you double check your work. Make sure there's no oil underneath the car. If I can see underneath the car, but there's no oil there. I saw it, there's none. That's it. Peace out.